it's Pixel, and today we're going to be dipping into the Great Depression food. This sandwich has floated around the internet, and I've seen it a couple of times lately, and I thought, this looks like a fun thing to try, but the only title I could get out of it is, a great tasting sandwich. So, we're going to be making a great tasting sandwich today from the 1920s. And for that, I'm going to need about 4 hard-boiled eggs, a can of pimento, a medium to large can of sliced olives, a block of cheddar cheese, and a smaller can of tomato sauce. Now you can use whatever sandwich bread or buns you want, but I'm going to be using hoagie rolls. And that's it. So let's get going. And of course, assembly is rather simple. You dump the juices out of your olives and your pimento and combine them in a bowl. You want to take that block of cheese and dice it into smaller chunks of cheese. Took the 4 boiled eggs and diced them up accordingly also. And then adding in the tomato sauce. And of course we'll give that a thorough stir together. Next I'll slice my hoagie in half before piling on our mixture to the inside of the hoagie. Going to close it up. Fold that over. Fold up the ends to a little messy packet. And this is going to go on a pan at 275 for the next hour in our oven. Alright, it came out of the oven. They're all ooey gooey and warm. Best time is here to try them on. Whoever invented this sandwich was correct. This is a very, very, very tasty sandwich. I like how the egg still gives you protein, but you don't feel like you're missing anything out with no meat being in it. I love how the bread is crunchy, and it's a very messy good sandwich. I don't know. There's no words. It's just really, really tasty and good for a nice, simple, hot little sandwich. Wasn't too expensive to make either, so I can see why this was a fun little treat in the Great Depression. Well, you know the drill. Have any thoughts about it? You know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in our next one.